Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be talking about prepositions in English grammar, meaning, types, and usage. Let's dive in. Types of prepositions: place, time, direction, and more explained. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Learning prepositions in English grammar is essential for clear communication and success in school and competitive exams. This topic explains types, lists, examples, and usage tips for mastering prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its connection with another word in the sentence. Prepositions often tell us about location, time, direction, and manner. For example, the keys are on the table. Here, on shows where the keys are. Common preposition examples include in, on, at, by, with, for, of, and to. Types of preposition. Understanding the types of prepositions makes it easier to use them correctly in English grammar. Most are used to show place, time, direction, means, and other relationships. Prepositions of place. Prepositions of place describe where something is located. Examples: in the box, on the chair, under the bed, between the houses. Prepositions of direction. Prepositions of direction show movement from one place to another. Examples: to, go to school, into, towards, across, through. Prepositions of means/method. Prepositions of means or method explain how something is done. Examples: by car, with, cut with a knife. Other types. Other prepositions include those for manner, with, without, agency, by, possession, of, and comparison, than, like. Prepositions table, types, and examples. Type, common prepositions, example sentences. Place, in, on, under, over, between. Example: the ball is under the table. Time, at, on, in, before, after. She arrived at 7 o'clock. Directions: to, into, in, through, towards, across. They walk to the park. Means: by, with. He traveled by bus. Manner: with, without. She completed it with care. Possession: of. The cover of the book is torn. This table helps you quickly identify key prepositions and their usage in English sentences. List of common prepositions in English. Here are the most useful prepositions for school exams and daily usage. Simple prepositions: at, by, for, in, of, on, out, to, up, with. Compound prepositions: above, across, along, around, behind, below, beyond, inside, outside, underneath. Phrasal/group prepositions: according to, because of, in addition to, instead of, next to, owing to, with reference to. Participle prepositions: concerning, considering, during. Including, notwithstanding, regarding. Regular practice with these words can boost your grammar accuracy and writing confidence. Preposition examples, sentences for practice. Real-world examples help you master prepositions in English grammar. See how prepositions link nouns to other words. Number 1, she sat on the sofa. She sat on the sofa. We will meet at 4 p.m. We will meet at 4 p.m. The cat hid under the bed. The cat hid under the bed. The bus went through the tunnel. The bus went through the tunnel. He is fond of music. He is fond of music. This gift is for you. This gift is for you. She left before dinner. She left before dinner. Rules for using prepositions. Some preposition rules help prevent mistakes in exams and assignments. A preposition always has an object, a noun, or pronoun. Do not use extra prepositions. Example, say, enter the room, not enter into the room. In is for larger places. At is for specific points. Example, in Delhi, at the station. For shows duration. Since shows the starting point. Example, for 2 hours since morning. A sentence can end with a preposition in informal English. Example, who are you talking to? Common mistakes with prepositions. Avoiding the most frequent errors improves scores in school and competitive exams. For instance, do not say, she arrived in Monday. Instead, she arrived on Monday. Prepositional phrases, how they work. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with its object. Example, by the river, in the classroom, with a pen. Prepositional phrases help sentences become more descriptive and clear for the reader or listener. Preposition exercise. Fill in the blank with the correct preposition inside the bracket. Answer number 1. He traveled by train. Number 2. We met on Monday. Number 3 answer. The dog jumped into the box. Number 4 answer. She finished the work. in 2 days. Number 5. The gift is for my friend. Practice with such exercises strengthens your exam readiness and English language skills. How prepositions help in exams and communications. Correct use of prepositions in English grammar is crucial for school exams, speaking and writing better essays. Exam boards and spoken English tests always include questions on preposition, types, and usage. Mastering prepositions in English helps you form clearer, more accurate sentences in schoolwork, conversations, and exams. With regular practice, examples, and guidance, you will avoid common errors and gain higher scores in all English grammar assessments. This video ends here about prepositions in English grammar, meaning, types, and usage. Thanks for watching.